Hi everybody, a warm welcome to I2I Gurukul. Friends, today I brought you a new topic, that is the monsoon and eye care. Before going to start this session, I would like to request you all, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell so that you will get all the notifications whenever I upload the new sessions on this platform. Friends, with a monsoon season around, not just a rain, even several eye infections will be there at our doorstep, such as conjunctivitis, eye strain, etc. However, right guidance from an expert and adequate care can play a crucial role in addressing any kind of or any type of eye related infections. Friends, here I2I Gurukul to bring a set of suggestions for our subscribers this entire monsoon. Eye care, eyes are highly susceptible to infections in the rainy season. So, prioritize personalized hygiene. Caution to avoid an eye infection during this season. Friends, follow these following eye care tips this monsoon season so that you can keep your eyes as healthy as possible. Friends, avoid hand to eye contact during this monsoon season. Washing your hands and avoiding hand-eye contact are equally important in preventing eye infectious diseases. Also, I request you to avoid rubbing your eyes as our fingers are covered in germs that can easily transmit any kind of infection in the eyes. Always wash your eyes with the cold water whenever you return from the outing. Friends, coming to the next point, that is the cleaning of your eyewears. It is important to keep your eyewears clean during these monsoons. If using pouches or a cloth to clean them, please clean them frequently to avoid any fungal growth on your pouch or cloths which you are using for to clean your eyewear products like spectacle cleaning cloth. Or keep your contact lenses out in the open and clean the cases frequently. Friends, coming to the next point, that is the eye makeup. Eye makeup comes out easily during this rainy season, so always use waterproof eye makeup things and keep in mind that never share all the eye makeup products with your friends, colleagues or any family members. Never share your lens containers with anyone and clean properly before and after use. Avoid using any cosmetic products during the infections. Friends, coming to the next point, that is waterlogged area, how will you avoid? Please avoid waiting near the waterlogged area as bacterial infections prowl around the unhygienic water. It is also vital to protect your eyes from the rain splashes as they bring dirtiness that is harmful to your eyes. Friends, how will you avoid wind and dust during this monsoon? If you get caught in the dust storm, get inside and rinse your eyes immediately. Debris in the eyes can lead to various infections and can irritate the eye in general. So use eye protection like glasses when exposed to wind or dust. Friends, coming to next point, if someone at home is down with the conjunctivitis or eye infections, wash your hands after administering the eye drops or eye medications. Avoid sharing your towel and similar personal items with the other members because infections mostly spread through the hands, cloths and other commonly touched items. Avoid crowded places with the swimming during the epidemic of conjunctivitis. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this session. I would like to request once again here, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell so that you will get all the future updates whenever I upload on this platform. Thank you.